Question 2. How can Power BI help your business make data-driven decisions and gain real-time insights into business performance? Power BI can significantly help businesses make data-driven decisions and gain real-time insights into business performance by providing robust data visualization, analytics, and reporting capabilities. Here's how it works. 1. Real-time data and dashboards. Power BI connects to a variety of data sources, including cloud-based and on-premise data, allowing businesses to visualize real-time data in interactive dashboards. These dashboards give stakeholders immediate access to updated data and performance metrics, enabling quicker response to changes in the business environment. For instance, sales managers can monitor daily sales figures, inventory levels, and customer behavior trends in real time. 2. Data integration. Power BI integrates data from multiple sources such as Excel, SQL Server, cloud services like Azure, Salesforce, and other business applications. This ensures a comprehensive view of business performance, combining financial, operational, and customer data in one place, helping decision makers to access the entire business landscape. This ensures a comprehensive view of business performance, combining financial, operational, and customer data in one place. 3. Advanced analytics and insights. With Power BI's built-in AI capabilities, users can perform advanced analytics such as predictive modeling, trend analysis, and anomaly detection. This allows businesses to uncover hidden patterns, forecast future trends, and make proactive data-backed decisions. For example, Power BI can help a business predict sales performance or identify emerging market conditions. This allows businesses to uncover hidden patterns, forecast future trends, and make proactive data-backed decisions. For example, Power BI can help a business predict sales performance or identify emerging customizable reporting. Power BI allows businesses to create customized reporting tailored to different departments, teams, or executives. These are customizable reporting. Power BI allows businesses to create customized reporting tailored to different departments, teams, or executives. These are customizable reporting. Power BI allows businesses to create customized reporting tailored to different reports can include key performance indicators, financial metrics, customer insights, and more, all presented in an easy, digestible format. This enables more effective decision-making at all levels of the organization, from operational staff to senior leadership. 5. Data-driven marketing decisions. By making data visual and accessible throughout your organization, Power BI can empower teams to base decisions on concrete, data-driven evidence rather than intention or gut feeling. This reduces the risk of mistakes and increases confidence in strategic decisions, whether it's optimizing marketing campaigns, adjusting product pricing, or allocation of resources. This reduces the risk of mistakes. 6. Collaborative decision-making. Power BI makes it easy to share insights and collaborate across teams. Dashboards and reports can be shared securely with colleagues, fostering a data-driven culture within the organization. 6. Decision makers can discuss findings directly from within the platform, which enhances collaboration and ensures alignment across the business. Decision makers can. 7. Mobile accessibility. Power BI's mobile app ensures that decision makers have access to key business insights anytime, anywhere. Whether in the office or on the go, stakeholders can track performance and make timely decisions, ensuring agility and responsiveness. Cost effectiveness. With Power BI's scalable pricing model, businesses can choose the right plan based on their needs and budgets. Small businesses and large enterprises alike can leverage Power BI for data analytics and decision making without investing in expensive or complex systems. In conclusion, Power BI helps businesses by providing real-time insights, advanced analytics, and customizable reporting, enabling data-driven decisions at every level in the organization. It integrates data from various sources, presents it in an easy-to-understand visualization, and fosters collaboration, allowing businesses to stay agile, make informed decisions, and improved overall performance.